The seeds of the Indian flag were sown during the nation's struggle for independence from British rule. Various flags fluttered in the wind, each carrying a piece of India's soul, etched with religious symbols and historical emblems. The first flag of defiance against the British was a design by Sister Nivedita, a disciple of Swami Vivekananda. This flag sported the colours red and yellow, with the Vajra, a symbol of strength, at the heart. A significant transition occurred in 1906, when the Indian National Congress adopted a tricolour flag with vertical stripes of green, yellow and red, symbolising faith, peace and valor respectively. But it wasn't until 1947, a few days before India's independence from British rule, that the flag we know today came into being. The Constituent Assembly of India adopted the current design on July 22, 1947. This flag, known as the Tiranga or the tricolour, carries a profound symbolism. Saffron, the top strip, represents courage and sacrifice. The middle white band stands for truth, peace and purity. The green at the bottom signifies faith, fertility and prosperity. And at the center, the navy blue Ashoka chakra, a 24-spoke wheel, symbolizes the wheel of law and righteousness. The 24 spokes represent the 24 hours of the day, the concepts of dharma, duty and karma, action, from ancient Indian philosophy, and the relentless pursuit of progress. The tricolour is more than just a flag. It's a testament to the diversity of India's culture, religions and traditions, and the unity among its people. The Ashoka chakra serves as a constant reminder of the need for progress, movement, and the pursuit of righteousness in all aspects of life. In essence, the Indian flag is a powerful symbol of India's sovereignty, independence, and democratic ideals. It's a beacon of hope and a symbol of pride, a testament to the spirit of a nation that rose from the ashes of colonial rule to establish itself as a vibrant democracy. So, the next time you see the Indian flag fluttering in the wind, remember the journey it has undertaken, the values it embodies, and the aspirations it carries for the future. For it's not just a flag, it's the soul of a nation, woven into a fabric of courage, peace and prosperity. In conclusion, the Indian flag's evolution and symbolism reflect the nation's journey from struggle to freedom, from diversity to unity, and from aspiration to achievement. It's a story of a nation and its people told through the threads of the Tiranga,